Hi everyone, it's Wednesday, it's 5 o'clock. So, as you will already know, I like to do a Wednesday live at 5 with Lynn, where I can give you some information on what we're doing in Supermums and how to get started for your Salesforce career. Now, if you didn't join our masterclass this afternoon, which was really, really nice to see people collaborating and asking questions, then hopefully this will give you a little bit of an insight. If you did sign up to it and you weren't able to join me today, then we will be sending the recording out tomorrow. So you'll still be able to watch that. Now, in terms of what is going on in Supermums, I always like to bring that to the table. You will already know, you will have already met over the last couple of weeks, and of course you can watch the recording if you like. We have our new starters. So we have Sophia, who's going to be in the Spanish team. She's going to be selling the training course for our Spanish speaking admin course. So that is really exciting for a lot of you. We also have a new starter that's going to be training as well in the Spanish section. So it's really great to have a few new starters. It's always exciting, isn't it, when someone new starts? We also have Julie, who you met last week. She is new to the team as well, and she's going to be talking to you, giving you career advice. She's going to be helping you along your way and advising you on either first steps or best next steps. Now, within Supermums, you will likely know, if you're brand new, of course, you may not know, which is why I come on these calls, that we offer training to mums. Of course, we are Supermums. We also offer training to dads and teams. So wherever you are, whatever you're looking for, then please reach out to one of us and we would be more than happy to help and advise you on either your first steps or, as I said, your best next steps. I want to talk a little bit today about our next Salesforce Ultimate Admin course. Now, for the Ultimate Admin course, you will get, it is a 6-month program from start to finish. But it starts with, if you want to break it down a little bit to get a little bit of an idea, your first 3 months are your learning. Now, that's where you will have one live session every single week for about 3 hours. And then you will have structured and supported and guided homework that you do in your own time. So you're able to just turn up once a week to get that structure. But then you carve out your own time to be doing your learning and your muscle memory. Get all that lovely muscle memory by doing your homework, and of course you're doing that in your own time. So the great thing is that if you are a mum or you're out at work or whatever your life looks like, then you can absolutely find some time to be able to join the course. So 3 months, one live session every week, plus your structured, guided and supported homework. Now, wherever you are in the world, we've got you covered. So if you are in the US, for example, you've got a different time zone. So you're going to be thinking, well, Lynn, I probably can't attend that because obviously time zones. So because of that, and because of people globally who are working as well, we do 2 live sessions every week, but remember, you only join one. So for this one, and I'm talking about BST, UK time zone, it is 9:30 a.m. on a Tuesday or 6 p.m. on a Thursday. Okay, so your first 3 months are one live session a week and structured and guided homework. Now, in month 4, you'll be doing study groups, exam guides, you'll do some mock exams, and you will likely take your exam, which is your ADX 201. And this is what you will need to be telling everyone that you know what Salesforce is. You know it from the back end to the front end. So you have to learn Salesforce admin before you decide where it's going to take you, because there are many different routes, but that's a conversation for another day. So 3 months learning, month 4 you'll do your exam. Now, I said to you it's a 6-month program. So the final 2 months of the 6 are a work experience project with a real organization. Obviously pro bono, you're not going to get paid for it. But what it's going to do for you is so awesome, because it's going to give you can get your hands dirty on what you've learned. You're going to get a real experience in a real workplace. It's all online, so you don't have to go anywhere. You'll have a meeting every week with your line manager just to see, how you've got on with it. And also you will be there and you will be working with a team of people. So you get that real work experience to give you that confidence. So you've learnt it, you've got your muscle memory, you've done your exam, and then you get to go and put it into practice. The project that you will be given will take you about 48 hours over 2 months. So it's not full on. It can work around your schedule, around your life, excuse me. So you are able to do the work experience as well. Even if you're working or you've got a family, absolutely you can do that. So to get a career in Salesforce, wherever you plan for it to take you, you need to first of all get the foundational knowledge of admin. Now, what else does it offer? What you have with the Ultimate course is you have a one-to-one mentor who works in Salesforce. That I did the training back in the day, and that is one thing that is so valuable for you. Now, the mentor will be there to mark your homework. You can have a call with them every week. You can send them a WhatsApp. Bear in mind they are working, so obviously, they might not come straight back. But the beauty of Supermums is we wrap you up. We wrap, it's a wraparound. You not only have your mentor, you can raise a case and one of us will come back to you. You can speak to the community. Now, the community is just genuinely so lovely. But if you go onto the chat group and say, I'm doing week 3 homework and I'm a bit stuck, somebody will have done it and somebody will help you. Everyone is so supportive. So we are here to give you that support, to give you that wraparound, and to give you that structure to succeed. Now, we currently have a 10% off discount code. So tell your friends, get your whole street involved, and absolutely come and join us. We have 10% off. It is early bird. July 25 is the code to use to get that 10% off. And absolutely, you can sign up now, get excited, enjoy your summer, and then start afresh in September. Now, the way the course will be is it will have a group welcome call on either Tuesday or Thursday of the week of the 11th of September. Now, that is week 0. So, if you're still away or you can't attend, don't forget everything we do is recorded. So you can still watch the recording even if you don't make the session, but it's always nice to be there and make the session with everyone else. So week 0 is the week commencing the whatever date that is. So the 11th is the Thursday one. So few days before that. And then week 1 starts with introductions, and that will be on the 18th of September. And you will go all the way through to your next steps in January. So start 2026 as you mean to go on and have a whole new career. Have that flexibility and work-life balance that you want, that you require, that you're looking for help for Supermums with. And then once you've got your cert, we can help you with doing recruitment. So recruitment is where you onboard with the team. They will send you job alerts. We do have junior admin roles come up. So absolutely, there is no reason why you won't be able to change your career. So I hope that that is useful for you today. I am always here to help you. I'm always here to support you. So if you need anything at all from me, it's very simple. My name is Lynn, Lyn. Email me, lynn@supermums.org, and I will always come back to you. You can book in with one of the team to have a chat, whether you're looking to do the Spanish admin course or the English speaking one, wherever you are or whatever your plans are, then absolutely, we are here to help you. We're here to support you. Back in the day, I worked in property for 11 years. I think you know when it's time to move on, and I knew it was time to move on. So I hung up my hat and came and did the Supermums course, the one that I'm telling you about, and I genuinely haven't looked back. I now work from home. I've got that flexibility. I've got the work-life balance. I got back more than the cost of the course in my first paycheck. And I sit every day talking to lovely people about changing their lives while looking out at my garden. So it really has changed for me. So there are so many success stories. Have a look on our website and see all about the success stories. If you don't know what a Salesforce career is, have a look at a career in Salesforce. You might want to be a Salesforce admin. You might want to be a Salesforce consultant. But you need to walk before you can run. You need to learn the system first to be able to take it to another level. But absolutely, ask me any questions. Find me on LinkedIn. I'm always here and I'm always happy to help. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday. Take care.